everyone, this is Logan Westock, and we're doing a short video because I don't have really much subscribers. Okay. And now, going on to this. As you can see, this is a lime. It's a squishy. See it right there? Kind of looks like a watermelon at the back. We have an orange. Okay, this is orange. We have this donut. Yeah. And we also have a little bread. Well, it's not exactly a bread, it's like a bread piece. And it's also a keychain like that one. And this one's slow rising. And this one is not that slow rising, but it's also a keychain, and I love this one. Tell me if you can make this face. No, I can't. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. And give it to 30 likes. Bye-bye. Peace.